Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily update. There's enough to talk about, so hopefully I don't forget some things. But let's just get right into it. So first of all, just some practicalities. Since yesterday, the volume has gone up quite a bit. I think in general, like if you watch my videos, what we talked about is that yesterday the volume was very low. And Bitcoin itself was also a little weak, and that's also what you saw on the 1 hour time frame here, for example. Just in general, not that much buying, and not that much like there was no support level really being defended, which is something you often do see in the middle of the week. There's a hair in front of my eye. But alright, so that was yesterday. But my thoughts that I had yesterday on the markets, and what I said in my middle of the day market update as well, I basically still think the same, right? And that's this, all right? So this is what I posted on X yesterday afternoon, 12:35. And I think, like, if you look at this, like 58,000, that was the level where I expected it to bounce. So far, we've bounced there, all right? 58,000, strong support level on the daily time frame, on the 12-hour time frame. Just like, and this is also, and I wanted to talk about it a little bit later, but it's also a very crucial level. But so far we've bounced, and now the main quest and the big thing we have to do is all right, well, there is actually a pretty strong level as well right here at like 59,600 to be precise. Now we need to reclaim that, right? And if we're able to reclaim that, then we have not only a bounce from a very strong support, but also a reclaim of a strong key level, of a strong resistance level. So then I'm fully bullish again. I'm still bullish in general on Bitcoin, but I do think, yeah, like I said, I mean, this support level right here at 58,000, it is a very crucial level, because if we get if we get to the market structure, and at the end of the video, I also want to highlight some news which I think you need to know. But for now, let's focus on the technicals. If you focus on this, the main thing we did last week with the recovery is we try to get back into this range, all right? And for that, to hold that range, this level right here at like 58,000, let's keep it at that. It's a little bit around that, but the level at 58,000 needs to hold. And so far we've been able to do that. And so far, if you zoom in, we've been able to get a solid reaction on that. So that's a good start. But now we do need to like really settle in the range. And with the range, what I mean then is kind of this area. So that is something we still have to see right now. Now, that is what I expect. I think the fundamentals at this point of time are good enough for that. The S&P 500, when we're talking about the recession fears, I think is recovering a bit and at least consolidating. I think, well, the situation in the Middle East could still escalate. That's true. But so far that also seems to be kind of ending relatively well. As well as possible for capital markets at least. So that's why I will stick with this analysis, all right? And that after hitting this major support level, by the way, as well at 58,000, we'll be able to get a bullish reclaim and get back up to at least fill like the CME gap at 61,000, get up to 62,000, and then from there we'll talk about whether we can get to 64 and 65. But that's what I expect for now, all right? Now, like I said, talking about news, I do expect quite a lot of volatility in general this week because, well, not only is the volume still relatively low and therefore order books are thinner and we can get some volatility, we also have the CPI and inflation rate on Wednesday. All right, so keep an eye out for that. I'll try to keep you updated on that as well, even though there will not be regular videos, unfortunately, for the next week and a half because I will be gone. But there will be videos. There will be very valuable videos, I would say. But so keep an eye on this, all right? It's Wednesday, 2:30 UTC +2. Keep an eye on that. It's going to make the market move, and it's also going to cause the market to be volatile in the days leading up to it. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.